Timothy Bosire is a good gentleman. No more dom yari. Naenda we a county na bako gama. I have no doubt about it. Anybody who has been a member of parliament with the resources to recognize Jirichia, ego Timothy Bosire to a jet and bunge the same day. Despite the fact that the Arena Goraburia and Gurumaga at Tata Koitakina one is needed to do another than a bunganamo manit. And from what I see, a Garangorana Chivas a Jirichia CDF, there to a Renge Bungari. Now I got an language to me at Rengeronge from the audit queries to Arakoraji, Chiarakuruchi constituents. I got my auditors of the constituencies. Now, not in the Josena Roger, I have what any problem. I have no problem with him. I got another Navais and the Gobi Gavan. The problem with an error, Nedina Avanta Bango Metevago and Timothy Navaiboid. You know, that's how he's born. And you know, you cannot teach an old dog new tricks. Amojaniaga and Ida Nense. Ote nata kukua na nechi nguru jiri ya kukua na mono maete kumurigiri na igago force yani ya kukua na nechi nguru bono ekero kukua na gobono tore ika leadership wete te kuere saba ngore egendo you know just kidogo lakini na mbodi ngagete na ki na erwe kagande byo monyane na ki abantu bakwanga ko ngachikure soribata na ndo muntu raro kandi inde proud ngamde to kutika kuira na se kwa na ngora agaja gandira bono na tigrama bangeire bono mamba ita bakamwa nje my advice to him nelina egara ko wate mic ta kuruana digere sengora you know you cannot the omada bono ngora supposing is becomes a governor omada mandu nyari bo bagote bare timiteri today jadi apart from this other sort coming is yabwata jadi is a very is a soba egara ko kuana ngoro da gi ko kuana no ka bwata omada nga gibak ama jesa manga kwenye kukwana kina bokora na kina ato erete nare na down to ndete mwende murigereria umundo na umweshimi wa Nyamoko ndete mwende murigereria Nyamoko akukwana geno murigereria Nyamoko kabisa kara kukwana vinde kara RG function you got to see it talks like a sober leader very sober, you know. Nabona nyona bwate isi nabona ate mangana mukabara kini if you look at the way he addresses issues nabokara no muntu oyo na iranete nsake umanyete obugambio togora abantu no bakurigereri from different angles abana baraguru yuma tatene njuro muishimi ori akoragera njire yo bwerori egara gukwana njiro yo bwerori na jabanda bandi bagondena arama are rude egara gukwana egara yani garo como debie gendo ta wanjera nabara akorame and you know I do it by the way bono nje actually nje no yo ndengera bosire obwene na butoko mojigo bwekana lakini bosire re problem mwabata ko baira bona se mic era nje woro dire njo mate se mic if you come to my functions I'm one person you okwana to just explaining yabante bin and people abange bateno mwishimi wori down to what abande bande na ki no wororo buya na to ko genda nete te kwa to konyira bande ko kore yani okuimugireri igoro bono bosire na bakoba another person to when the what have Benny Mumanyi has been a member of parliament twice and you know Benny Mumanyi he has been a commissioner but na rata ta everywhere atige bintu biri gwirende bye chipikipiki and you know habilitating monaki mugambye ekarwa igirega ayebono tige bintu byo konyagonjo kanane nabana ba chipikipiki tagonyo dana abantu bakenya kurama abantu ndiriyo konyona